Adventure seekers, truck lovers, slow down. C10 car show, July 26th. This is the big one. Should be like 1,000 Chevy trucks here today. Should be wild. That's where the party is at. All day Saturday and Sunday. Get your cell phone down here, but be prepared for crowds. This is a wild one. Whatever you want to see Chevy truck wise, it should be here. It's gonna get crazy. Nice patina on that one. Didn't know there was that many Chevy C10s still around. Much less. 1,000 of them here at Avila Beach. Oh, Lord. It's gonna be a nice show today, folks. Open 9 to 5 to the public. Free parking if you can find it. All right, check out this nice truck and bike, trike, whatever you want to call it. Pretty cool, dude. They're gonna be everywhere out here. Doubt I'll be able to get them all, so you're gonna have to get yourself on down here to appreciate this truck show. It's gonna be a wild one. Partying all day. Vendors, vans, trucks, Blazers everywhere. Just getting started here Saturday morning. Looking good so far. Howdy. UT's the bow ties. It looks like bow ties. I'm sorry. Looking good. Cali bow ties. Check out this trailer rig. Looking good. Slightly altered crew. There's butter. That's butter. Louis, 23 Chevy G20. Slam to the ground, orange. Cool. The other one slammed. Check out those rear wheels. Barely got room for that meanness right there. Look at that. All right. Do a serious walk around here. Maybe a couple miles of walk around. Doubt I'm gonna get information on all of them. You're gonna have to get down here on your own for this one, folks. This is the big one. Big one, I tell ya. Still rolling in though. Good. Continue looking up here at the top of the hill. Top hill, we got the bottom hills. Be prepared for some serious walking for this show. Morning, how are you doing? Cheyenne, 30, super. Nice looking blue, look at that. Got the engine open. Oh, look at that, 502. Ay caramba. He wants to get with it. Get up and go. That. Not too many 502s out there. Good, thank you. Alright. Chevrolet today. If you don't have a Chevy, you don't belong in this car show. Truck show, whatever you want to call it. 1972. Great year. Official truck. Indianapolis. Looks like this one's for sale. 30K or best offer. All right, hope we got the number there. Go. Liking it so far. Just getting started on this one. Vendor's still setting up.
Speaking of that, I will.
Hey, morning. How are you all doing? Good, thank you. All right. What a beautiful day for it. Not too hot yet. Sun should be coming out soon though. Sneak around here. People getting their little breakfast in. Check out the vendors, freeze-dried ice candy, shave ice, whatever you may want. Truck clubs, setting up for a little barbecue action. It's gonna be quite the weekend. Where the party is at. All right. Smell the food already. Sierras, Kern County, come all over for this one. G Brothers Smokehouse menu. Old Chevy's rolling in. Yourself a brewski. Venus homemade tamales. Can't go wrong there. Vendors are out. Looking good. Vehicles are everywhere. It's going to be a full day just walking around. No way I'm going to be able to get all these. That's just the way it is. I don't think I have enough battery life or memory to do every one of these things. Folks, make it work. That's right. It's like these trucks work. They work for me. That's for sure. Oh, nice looking ride right there. Loving the paint jobs. Loving the rims and tires. Truck get some work done out of these beasts too. Take them to the show on the weekend and work them during the week. Some of them ain't gonna work too much. Not when the engine looks that cool. I wanna mess with that one. Nice. Oh, nice, beautiful paint job on that one. Love that color. Oh, check out this red, it popped. 1956. Oh, good, man. Is this one yours? Oh, wow. They're all beautiful. I'll tell you that. I love the colors on both of these.
No, you're fine.
They just pop. All right, here we go. 5150. Oh, check out that interior. That looks comfy. Beauty. All right, they are already out in force. They haven't even opened up yet today, but they are out. Ready to appreciate the ride. Man, let's see, boss. Love those rims and tires. Tearing it up. All right, talk about the love of the truck. Getting it done. These trucks. I don't even know what to say. Give you a quick preview here. We get this posted by late today. Get out here tomorrow. Check out your favorite ones. Nice intake, man. It looks like they'll get the job done. Yeah, I like that. Looking good. All right. Visalia. Yeah, I used to live in Terabella for a while.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Really? There's nothing there, but I've been there. A lot of orange groves, but yeah. Nice people though. Yeah. Visalia. All right. Trans Super. They come from all over. Strut their stuff. It's a big one, folks. Probably one of the biggest truck shows around. Tell you what. Oh man, this looks like the same color I had when I was a kid. Of course, mine wasn't this nice. The GMC blue. All right. Yellow, white Patina machine. 50. Mean engines out there. Still rolling in. Right, the vendors are out, handcrafted, always fresh burgers and more. If you don't like it, eat a wiener. Like that. Gotta like that slogan. Right. Better like my burgers. They are delicious. Check out this dually. Good old 3100 dragon tip. Got the cool C10 super custom 1500 GMC Vortec. High PSI. Oh, turbocharge this beast. Let me breathe. Power drive. Man, that thing will get you where you want to go. That's for sure. Another good looking engine. A little peak in there, that's about it though. Alright, Longhorn edition. We got him, folks. We got him out. Strutting their truck stuff. Check out those rims and tires. Use those things as weapons. Don't get too close to me. You will regret it. Huh. Good. Silverado action. Good morning. How you folks doing? Good. You ready for a serious weekend?
Having a good time.
I hear that.
How about you?
Really good, man. Thank you for asking. All right. Jet black 1500. Polished up. Looking good. 6.2 LS3. Not mess around with this one. I'm liking it. What else we got here? Nitro action. They're out every nook and cranny. It's covered with radical vehicles. Gotta be careful walking around out here though. Too busy looking at the vehicles. End up tripping in a gopher hole. So be careful, adventure seekers. That's a radical place to be walking around. Definitely worth it though. Extra flow. Look at the mean looking rims and tires. Hey, 67 GMC, looking good. Alrighty. Car clubs setting up. Not much. How's it going? Oh, check that. Excellent. Indoor Car Show Award. I'm liking it. Looking good. Oh, right. We got them. If you like trucks, you better like trucks. Who doesn't like trucks? Stuff on down here. Oh, this one's worth it. I like it. Radical. Get some work and get there fast. Tearing it up with these ones. Some wicked machines, man. Another nice looking radical. Jet black. Spotless. Oh, check out the bike. Rad bike. Hey. All right, adventure seekers. There's a truck you need right there. Little Suburban, camper on top. Keep the bears away from you. No bears, no snakes.
Right?
Camping in style.
Right?
I hear that.
Oh, that one's camping.
Oh, that one's camping in style too. Look at that. Nice. The winch on the front. More Sierras. It'll take a while just to walk around and get all these. Who knows how long this video will take, but be worth it. Like that. Like that. Hey. Blazer action. Even got the tow truck action. Cheyenne 10. Scottsdale 10. See what I mean about watching where you walk? That's the ankle twister right there, folks. Another C10. Ah, yeah. This is a beautiful truck right here, folks. Love that blue. Is this yours?
Yes, these guys
Oh, nice, man. This is sweet. I love that color. Dude, that's one sweet truck. Right. Looking good. From Washington, even. 1500s. Wherever you like to see, it's here. Heartbeat of America there. They are out. 72 LS.
Made it.
Yeah.
How did it drive?
You good?
It drove better.
Did it?
After I let it pop.
Nice. Oh, look at that carb. A little air cleaner on that beast, but that's about it. Looking good. And the Tahoe SS with the Yamaha in it. That's a true adventure seeker mobile right there. That's right. Get there in style and then take a nice cruise after that. TMC action. Beautiful K5 Blazer, 427. Yeah, get you there in a hurry, folks. They are out. Morning, sir. Silverados, Scottsdales, Custom 10s. Oh, check out the stance on that one. Looking good. The hostile rims. Oh, that's a cool patina right there. Felix Chevrolet. Get it? A tap truck. Oh, like that. There's some adventure. Take that to your wedding reception. Looking good. Heartbeat of America. Dually. And there's a serious work truck. Not messing around with that one. That. We got them. Whatever kind of truck you like. You want to get some show out of it? You want to get some work out of it? We got them. All right. This is show not to miss. Big one every year. Place to be. Hiding out everywhere. Don't want to miss them. A little view at least. Nice flag hood there. Oh, check out this one. Nice. Love the air filter cover there. Nice. Cool car for the kids.
It's like having a
We got them. They are out. Ready for action. Liking it. Oh, check out this creation. I don't think this one's stock. This one, the factory options there. Here's a sweet looking ride. Talk about some customization. Love that paint job. Dialed in. Wow. This one, good looking truck. I'll tell you what. Another awesome paint job here. We are ready. We're ready to show off. Ooh, nice looking Corvette engine in that truck. Engines are out. Hot rod haircuts. Salon comes to you even. Wild. Scottsdale 10. Original engine in that beast. Customs everywhere. Everywhere you look. Got the custom trucks. Ready to show off. Look at that. Just got to figure out how to get the other side without having to jump a river. 805. Looks like Pismo ready. Actually, it says Pismo. 4 drops. Look at that. Look at that. Looking green. See that color too much? Good one. that blue. Purple pops too. Nah. Patina machines. Sexy 96. Silverados. Where you look, hopefully I can have a chance of getting them all. I don't even know, folks. Excuse me if I don't get them all. Check out that Sergeant Major. Thank you for your service, sir, or ma'am, whichever applies. That's one sweet looking Harley. All right, good. Still rolling in. Getting ready. There's my kind of club. No rules, no dues. C10 men are out. Ready to strut their stuff.
C10 Club in the house.
They're the party.
There we go.
One chapter, C10 Club.
Since 1999.
So you guys ready? Ready for a weekend of action?
We're ready to rock and roll.
I hear that. Hi. Good. How about you guys?
We're doing
All right,
good.
looking good. Man, there's no way I'm gonna get all these for my YouTube channel, but I'm gonna try. Oh, I know. Yeah.
We take our hats off.
All right. Try to keep walking around. Might lose my place. You never know.
All right, brother.
This thing is just getting started too, folks. Place is going to be packed today and tomorrow. Let's get yourself on down here. This little camera's not going to do this place justice. No way. You got to appreciate the art of these trucks. There's a lot to appreciate. Check this one out. Wow. American Force rims. Nice. Looking good. I have to remember this one to get my place again. They are just everywhere. Man, I almost need a four-wheel drive just to park these things, man. Hope you have your level sensors calibrated for this parking. Good. A lot of them for sale too. So if you're in the market for a rad truck, it's the place to come down and check it out. Oh, I love that color of this one too. Just dialed the engine in too. Sweet. Deluxe fleet service. Yellow bumblebee action. Patina machines. Popping oranges. Rana Chevy C50. That'll get some work done out of that truck. Ah. Looking Cheyenne 10. Step side. 10s. Looks like it's done up nice. Looking sweet. Oh, it's even for sale. Maybe I'll advertise it. So this one's even for sale. I'll give you a little heads up here, adventure seekers.
This your truck?
No, I wish it was. For $28,500, it looks like it could be yours. All right, give them a call. This truck could be yours. Wow. Looks like it'll get with it too. Little block headers there. The Crew Cab Society. Right. He's ready for action. Polishing it up. Looking red. Chevy step side. Looks at that. We even got the bicycles for sale. Twin Stingrays. $18.50. Could be yours. Collectible. All right. Continue a little walkabout here. Get a little glimpse of all these radical looking trucks. Need to be here, folks. It's the only way to appreciate this show. Little Bob, I want to give you the taste of the action. It's an interesting one here. Check that out. Liking it. The Worthy Beast. Relax society here. Sick in bed. Cool paint job on this one. All right. Ain't gonna haul no rock in it, but it's still a rad truck. They're out. And force, folks. Force. They have overtaken this whole golf course. Hear that. Yeah. Doing good. An engine on this one. Let it breathe too. Oh, beautiful color on that one. A little Tesla paint job there. Under action. Good looking blue. Stats. Four-wheel drive meanness up there. All right. Continue a quick walk around here. Get home, post a video so you still have time to get down here. My suggestion is get here as early as you can Sunday morning. This place is gonna be packed to the gills. Can't blame them. Here it is, Don Gummy. Agua frescas. Steve. Good looking trucks. Gotta like the name.
Thank you.
Billy Badass.
That was my dad. Anybody that knows him is.
The 454. Maybe that's where he got the name.
He acts like he is.
Don't mess with me.
Walker and everything, and he's still.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. Let's keep walking around here. See what else you need to see. All right. Liking that. That's that red. Good. You've got him. This little 454 and that one. Get down with it. Malavida, Central California. Looking good. Got the whole club out. Still rolling in. Looking good. All right, that sounds nice. Wow, check out the speakers in the back too. All right. I think you need four-wheel drive just to park in this show, huh? Looking good. They are out. Everywhere you look. Wear your walking shoes for this show, huh? From Montana even. Oh, check out the placement of that engine. Ay, caramba. That exhaust is mean. Dude, liking that. Yowza. Yes, it is cool. No, I'm not going to paint it. Who needs to paint it? It's the Patina machine.
No, I bought him that for Father's Day. So many people asked for
Well, that's a Father's Day present he's not going to forget. It's beautiful.
Oh, no,
That's
I
cool.
meant the license plate.
Oh, that's a license plate. Oh, okay. Check out the rear end of this thing. Oh, dude. Now that is sweet. That's some serious fabrication there, adventure seekers. You're not messing around. Ain't no drawings and ain't no parts from a catalog on this one. They're gonna build this sucker. All right. Thanks for bringing that out, sir. It's sweet. All right. All right. We got him. Got him. Scottsdale action. Nice stance on that one. You need four-wheel drive tennis shoes. Just get up and down these hills. Checking out these sweet trucks. They are out in force. Taking over the highways all over Central California to get here. The Avila show. Not mess around. If you got a truck and you're proud of it, this is the place to be. The place to be, folks. 1960. It's not old. It's a classic. Look at that. All right. By me. Nice license plate. Everything's for sale at a price, pretty much. A lot of these have so much love into them, nobody's gonna sell them. That. Too much pride of those rides. C10, the resilience machine. Wholesome Buick. Got him. Little walking about action. Ah, good looking bed on that. Love the tub out job. Got some meats on the back of that beast. Same thing here. Good job on that. Oh, this one gets some work out of it. Tow that fifth wheel. Good looking K5 Blazer. Look at that. Look at the blue. Nice red there. Patina machine. Slightly altered. Just slightly. Check out that. Let the tub breathe. Huh. Shiny paint causes stress. I like that sign. GMC action. Chevys. If you like trucks, this is not to miss show. Hey, looks like they got some good food, huh? Good food, good rides. Can't go wrong, folks. Need to be here. Super 10 Cheyenne. Check out the stats on this one. That is a Pismo ready machine. Use VW Beetles for traction. 1956. Camera. Dually action. K5 Blazers. Yeah. Utah car chat. Oh, cool paint job on this one. Ohio. Sure. Got him. Slow down 24. Have to get over here. Oh, nice engine in that one too. This is the engine I wanted to show you. Looks nice. Get with it. Customize. Customization on some of these things. That's a unique color right there. Yeah. Well, I don't know, folks. If you don't like this show, you got some serious issues that might need psychological evaluation. Because this is one cool car show, or truck show, whatever you want to call it. We got them. We got them out, folks. Work trucks to show trucks. Modified trucks. That's right. This one need a ladder just to show you the engine.
That's our son.
Nice. Obviously, this truck has a magnetic personality. Has drawn the attention.
Oh, well, I like it.
Owned by a 16-year-old.
Wow.
Built from the ground up with a Papa Bear. Yeah,
Cool.
she's telling me all about it. This thing's rad, huh?
It is.
I told her, I said, I wish I had this when I was 16. Be a terrorizer. All right, check out this adventure mobile. Got the heated showers. Wow. Ready for the dunes. Ready for anywhere you want to go. Rock front ready. Need it. haul my quad with this beast. All right, we got them. They are out. Ready for adventure, seeking, action. Come on, Silverados. Check out the stance on this one. I need it. That is a beautiful truck. Total customization on that thing. Don't have to worry about gopher holes with these. Nice. Talk about lift. Little Bob would need more than a ladder to get into this beast. I like it. Rims and tires. Looking good. All right. Adventure seekers. Show went. It's going to be hard to see every one of these vehicles. I like to give them the love they deserve. Sure I can. There's too many of them. I think there's like 1,000 of them here. Fight the show. Stay tuned. 805 C10 Club is here. Strutting their stuff. Got the golf carts with the California whiskey cocktails. Now that's a job I need. Delivering whiskey cocktails. The truck lovers. All right. So what else we got going on here? The fleet side Patina machine. Liking that. Serious intake on this Vortec. Misfit. K5 Blazers. Sierras. Whatever you need. We've got it. Need to be here. The photographers are out. Music's blaring. All right, check this combo out here. Little truck towing a truck. Hey, how you doing? Thank you for your service, sir. Is this yours?
No, I
No.
don't have one of these.
Oh, come on.
I used to years ago.
Yeah.
Now I wish I hadn't gotten rid of it.
71, 25K or best offer. All right, do a little close up of this, just in case. Trailer included. Can't go wrong there. Give them a call. This would look good in your driveway. Who's got them? Oh, check out that. Nice. Liking it. They are out. Ready for cruising action. Gotta love the stance. Love that orange. 383 K5 Blazer action. All right, getting ready to reveal inner workings of the machine. Show us what makes this baby purr. Oh, unveiling the jewel. Looking good. I love the stance and the rim and tire choice, man. This thing's beautiful. Thanks for bringing it out. You're a classic action. Wow, that's done 10. Another beautiful orange. Four-wheel drive madness. Blazers. Looking good. Nice looking truck, man. Customization on that one. Good. I like the color of this one. You don't see that color too often, but it pops. Reaches out and grabs you. Good looking Silverado there. Let's see what else we got going on here. More Blazers. GMC panel vans, 56s. Alrighty. We're ready for 2 days of truck show action. People are cruising in, looking good. Wow, continue this walk around. It's gonna be radical. I think I've seen the Resilience before. Cruise on over this way. Make sure I get a little glimpse of all of them. It'll be hard to do. The little Bob wants to bring it to you. Bring it. Good. 400 cubic inches. Chevrolet meanness right there. Cheyenne. man. 1960. The Apache Truck Club. Nice. Love the patina. Love the bed. That's looking nice. All right, we got them. All right, folks. But do be careful if you come to this show. A lot of ankle twisting action around here. I think the Gophers have set up home. What else we got going on? Don't want to miss anything, but that's going to be hard to do. Hard to do. That. Ooh. Oh, check out the intake on this beast. Liking that. Getting good. Another nice looking ride. Nice truck. C10 Junkies. Another cool intake. Yeah. Ready. Cheyenne 10 step side. Looking good. This interior. Looking good. Over the place. Look at that. Look at that ride too. Even says for sale. I'll give you the number. Wow. That would look good in anybody's driveway. Nice looking stance on that one too. All right. People are showing up. Place is already getting crowded. If you're gonna get here tomorrow, get here early.
Yeah.
It's the place to be.
All right.
If you love cars, if you love trucks, and who doesn't, get yourself on down here. I think I've shown this one before, but it's worth a second look. That thing's a work of art. Hey, they're ready. They're ready. Show off. Just everyone's came in. Everyone's ready to know what's going on. Quite the selection of crazy rides. Half of California's here at this show, folks. Yeah. Let's go, beast. Firing that thing up. All right, continue walking around.
Oh, not the red. Yeah, beautiful.
Wow, this is amazing, folks. There's just so many. I don't even know what to say. A lot of love, time, money going into these vehicles. Look at that. Looking good. C50. New machine right there. You got it. Whatever you want to see, it should be here. I like it. Kinds of stuff to eat, kinds of stuff to drink, music going and stuff. Look at that. Good looking K5. Dialed in that engine too. Oh, I love the looks of this one. That is some customization right there. Nice intake. Good. Another K5 Blazer action here. Love the paint job on that one. Nice flag. Good job. That is some serious looking rims right there. It's like, don't get in my way. I have places to go. I might just use you as traction. All right. Dually action here. The wide butt. At least it's appropriately named Custom Cheyenne. Check out the rims and tires. American 4s. Wow, that's a beautiful red. I love that color. All right, little work truck action there. They are out. People are starting to show up. Place is going to be packed all weekend. It's quite the show. Quite the show, folks. You need to be here. No matter what you think you're supposed to be doing today, you should be here. Avila Beach. Beautiful spot. Beautiful weather. Yeah. Oh man, someone's put some time, love, and money into that engine. Oh, I bet, dude.
In any weather, you don't have to pump the gas before you start it.
That's right. Oh man, it's cool. 72,
Like
cool year too.
Out here, huh?
Oh, I know. Loving it. Love my trucks. These got whatever you want. Goodness. Oh, look at this one. Love the flames. The paint job. It's a derelict car right there. C10. Oh, check out the bicycle even. It's cruising. Those handlebars. Looking engine in this one too. Intake. Right. That's a beautiful engine right there too. Wow. Love the color. All right, fuel injection. LS 454. Get down. Get where you want to go in a hurry. Look at that. Turbocharge that beast. Liking it. Liking it. Little adventure mobile here. What you got? Love this purple. 1948. Suavecito. All right. C5 Blazer adventure machine right there. Red step side GMC looking good. Dramatic. Got some lemonades here. Looking good. Whatever you want.
There he is.
Hey!
How you doing?
Good, how about you?
Good, sir. How
So
about
tell me
yourself?
about this. Thank you for your service, sir.
You're welcome, man.
Yeah.
We are Semper Fries, guys. We're out of
Oh,
Bakersfield.
Super Fries. I'm
you-
Lil Bob.
I'm Melvin. I'm the owner of Semper Fries, guys. We are out here at the C10 Truck Show, Avila Beach, at the 9th hole, guys.
Ninth hole.
If you haven't tried it, you gotta check us out. We have the
That's right.
Devil Dog Tri-Tip Sandwich.
Yeah.
We got 6 different types of gourmet French fries. I said it. Mac and cheese fries, chili verde fries, birria fries, asada fries,
Huh?
elote fries. We could even do tri-tip
Man,
fries.
you're making me hungry
We
just
got it
talking
all, brother.
about
We
it.
even got funnel cakes. And in representation of being on the golf course, we got Arnold Palmer's. Oh yeah, half lemonade, half sweet tea
Uh-huh.
for the famous golfer himself. Check us
right.
out, guys. We'll be out here today and tomorrow. Avila Beach Golf Course, guys. Semper Fries.
Okay, thanks.
Let's go.
Appreciate it, man. All right, adventure seekers. Got the 4-wheel drive only section over here. Need some ground clearance. Get over on here, the 9th hole. Next to Semper Fries. Wow. Check out these rad trucks.
No.
Liking it.
One of my buddies is in the backyard.
Nice. Dude. Oh, hey, they're so cool, man. Thanks for bringing these out. These things are rad, dude. Yeah. Whoa, easy boy. Liking that. Oh, dude. Cannot go wrong with vehicles like this, folks. They are ready for serious action. Dude. You need one or two. Problem is, I don't know which one to choose. All too beautiful. Ah. ready for four-wheeling action with these guys. The rims and tires and the stance. The KO 805 Customs. 805 Customs is everywhere. The car show 805 Customs represented. The Loco Banditos. And Maria's. Silverado action. Check out the paint job on this one. Dude, that is one custom ride. If you run out of gas, just turn on the stereo loud enough. It'll get you home. Yeah. Got him. Ah. Right, we got some derelicts here. Old Steve's truck built from the ground up. Steve don't mess around when he builds his truck. Ah. Raspberry creamsicle. Even the color makes you hungry. He's done an awesome job of hiding all the wires and stuff on this thing. Built this thing from the ground up. Had it on a body spit. Paint the frame. Ooh, sweet truck. Steve, just admiring your vehicle, sir. Yeah? I know you built it. Built it by hand. Don't be shy. You're the man. Central Coast Cruisers. Strutting their stuff. Not. Got him. Got him out. In force. Taking over the highways to Avila. All right, adventure seekers, little Bob here. Do not want to miss this show. This is it. I don't know if I've got them all, but hopefully I've done it. Little teaser action here. Tease you just enough to get you off that couch. Quit watching YouTube. Watch it for yourself. These trucks are sweet.
It'd be that big of a difference.
Heck in that.
I drive a 67.
They are getting out. Crowds are showing up. People are wanting to see sweet rides, and they will not be disappointed, because the sweet rides are here, ready to go. Oh, check out the Chevrolet bench. You built that yourself, sir?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's the way to go, man. That's cool. GMC Jimmys. All right. All right, check it out. Nice. Sick intentions. Look at that. Ocean sports. Diving. Mampo. Swing him around. Hey, we got him. Hopefully I've given you a little taste of the action. Just a taste, little teaser. Right, open all day tomorrow from 9 to 5. No excuse. So if you can't get out here today, Saturday the 26th, make sure you get out here tomorrow. Still be showing off.
Yeah, I mean, you gotta do it, you know?
Hey, stay tuned. Adventure seekers and car truck lovers. Right. Again, get on down. C10 Slowdown. Presented by Chop and Block Chassis Products. Avila Beach. Wow, quite the show. Alright, stay tuned, adventure seekers. More car show, adventure seeking craziness. For adventure seekers and car lovers. Like right next to this, Car King. Pays cash for cars. Choose number there. Buy cars, that's the DMV. URL code. Give them a shout. You're a very nice couple. Let's do shave ice here. No, if you can't sell your truck here, give them a call. All right, adventure seekers. Vigil Custom Designs. Getting the job done. Some t-shirts, whatever. Looks like they can do the job. It's a nice ride. There you go. There you go, Joe. That's the ride to be proud of right there, folks. Adventure seekers and car lovers, just noticed it's for sale even. Give them a call and you too could have this in your driveway. Every neighbor would know your name. I guarantee it. You will be the talk of any town that you live in, driving around in the Say When truckster. Hey, caramba. All right. Nice ride. All right, another show stopper here, folks. Looks like a nice ride. A little loose. Bright red. Totally customized. It's like every inch of this has been done over. Neat. Liking it. This one, radical ride. You need to ride this with pride, I tell you. You show up and you can strut after you get out. Right, talk about original. Yeah, I know. Chevy step side, all original, adventure mobile. The custom made little shell there, 4-wheel drive. Winch on the front. Looks like it's ready for rock front, Pismo, anywhere you want to go.